According to the 2023 Global Education Report, 67% of teachers struggle to adapt to the rapidly evolving changes in education. This challenge can hinder their ability to innovate and connect with students effectively. Introducing The Box, our live online course designed to empower teachers to break free from conventional constraints and embrace transformative practices. Join renowned instructor Dr. Elaine Gallagher, a global leader with over 55 years of experience in teacher development, curriculum design, and English language education. You'll learn key topics such as change theory, time management, streamlined planning, language acquisition, critical thinking, collaboration, and creativity. Mark your calendars. This live course will be held in 2 parts. Part 1, The Box, and Part 2, Beyond the Box. And here's the best part. Follow us on social media and get an amazing 18% discount. How cool is that? By the end of this course, you'll be able to analyze the reasons behind your constraints, understand change theory in education, diagram the essential elements for transformative change, and create a personalized action statement for ongoing self-improvement. So, what are you waiting for? Register now with the link in bio, follow us on social media to grab your discount, and transform the way you teach.